Hey guys, how is everybody doing? Hope that you're all doing really well. So, William told me that you guys need some help doing your sign up sheets for the handing of the gradings next week. So, I decided to show you here. First things first, you're going to open one of your tabs in Google Chrome. You're going to go here that says Google Apps, and you're going to go to Documents. Then you're going to click this. Hopefully it's gonna open fast, okay. And you're going to choose this option in which it gives you the option to open one that is blank. Um, we open one that is blank, we give it a click. So my advice for you is for you to be able to do it as fast as you can. You can take as an example, you can go there again, and you're going to see that all of the documents that William and all of the other teachers or coordinators share with you are here. So if I wanted to go, for example, to this document that is the second individual meeting, I can take some of the stuff that William has there to be able to organize my own meeting or my own sign up sheet. Um, so let's take, for example, whenever this wants to show. Okay, give it a second. Okay. So let's say that you want to take the Ellie logo that we have here, so it's not like so empty. You can copy here, you go again to the original one, and you can paste just for it not to look so empty. And you can write something here, whatever you want. Probably you could write it in Spanish to the parents, like um, let me see. Oh, sorry. Hola. And you can do like a welcoming message, like este es el documento en el que se estarán anotando para la entrega de notas. For example, this is like short, but you can add whatever you want. You can also take from Williams ideas such as the meeting, so you are able to put the link there, so parents just have to go and click. You can take pretty much everything, all of this, and modify it as you would like for your own drive. And for example, that's we are going to start next Wednesday, and next Wednesday is 4. So let's say that you have here Wednesday 4, and you are going to put 3:45 till 3:55. Let's say that you're going to be taking 5 minutes. You can hit it here so it goes darker. And also here you're going to see, as in William, that every time that you put something darker, it takes it as a title. So if you click here, it takes you to wherever it is. Okay? So, and there the parents can, write just as we do. I would advise for you to write the title here. You just have to click where it says on title document. And you can put Wednesday 4. So you have a follow-up of that. The most important part about all of this is with who are you going to share it. So you can click here in share. It's going to give you a pop-up, this. Here, you're going to click wherever you want, where it says only people added can open this link. We don't want this. We want for everyone with this link. because you will send the link to the parents. And instead of viewer, if you leave it in viewer, that means that they're not going to be able to sign up. They're only going to be able to see it. So you're going to click here, editor, and copy link. So now you already have your link copied. You have to hit done. And now you can see that if I try to paste it anywhere, it's going to be the link. So that link is going to make parents be able to go in. The good thing about Google Docs is that it keeps everything. So I haven't saved any of this. Let's say that I just close it and I close Williams too. And then let's say that I want to go back to the document. I do the same stuff. I open a new tab, go to documents, and the document is going to be right here in recent documents. As you can see, it's already there and nothing has been lost. This is it for now. If you have any questions regarding of this, I'm happy to help you, and I hope that I'll see you soon. Have a great rest of your day.